Here is a sign for blood. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and the hand shape is exactly the same for both hands. We're just going to use the open hand here, fingers spread apart, just a flat hand. We could also say the number 5. Aha, right. Okay, so I'm right-handed, non-dominant hand, still in the hand 5 hand shape here. Going to put it right here, all right, about right there, palm facing in. Now this one's not going to move, it's just going to hang out there stationary. Dominant hand, for me, my right hand, I'm going to start on top, a little bit on the outside, all right, a little bit in front, and I'm just going to bring it down and flutter the fingers. Blood. Blood. Imagine like a trickle of blood and it's trickling down and we're, fluttering to show trickling. Something like that. Blood. From the side. Blood. Other side. Blood. From the front again, blood. Okay, rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Blood, blood. Okay, quick review. Number 5, hand shapes, just open hand, fingers spread apart. Non-dominant hand, put it about here. It's just going to stay there, it's not going to move. Dominant hand here, a little bit up and a little bit out front, so we can go in front. And as we're going down, we're going to flutter the fingers. Blood. Blood. Okay, we just talked about how to sign blood.